Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Welcome in lecture number 9, paper IC-10, unit number 3. Today we will discuss about thermal application in drying and last in cooking. So in this lecture we complete the renewable source solar energy. So we start with solar energy, thermal application of solar energy in drying. One of the traditional uses of solar energy has been for drying of agricultural product. The drying process removes moisture and help in the preservation of the product. Traditionally, drying is done on open ground. A cabinet type solar dryer suitable for small scale use is shown in the figure. This figure is cabinet type solar dryer. One of also this type of dryer, it is also known as cabinet dryer. This is also a cabinet dryer. First of all, we discuss about this type of cabinet dryer. The dryer consists of an enclosure with a transparent cover. The material to be dried is placed on perforated trays. Here trays are perforated, so circulation of air is very easily. The material to be dyed is placed on perforated trays. Solar radiation entering the enclosure is absorbed in the product itself and surrounding internal surface of the enclosure. As a result, moisture is removed from the product and air inside is heated. Suitable opening at the bottom and top ensure a natural circulation. This type of shows in this type of figures. Suitable opening at the bottom and top ensure a natural circulation. Temperature ranges from 50 to 80 degrees Celsius are usually attained. Please note that very important point. The temperature ranges in cabinet type dryer is 50 to 80 degrees Celsius and the drying time ranges from 2 to 4 days. Typical product which can be dried in such devices are dates, apricots, chilies, grapes, etc. This is cabinet type dryer. Now we see the force circulating dryer, direct gain and indirect gain. This is force circulation dryer. For the large scale drying, the passive device of cabinet dryer relying on natural circulation is replaced by an active device with forced circulation as shown in the figure. This type of systems are used for drying timbers. Please note that forced circulation type dryer is used in the drying of timber. An indirect type of active device is used when the solar radiation falling. When the solar radiation falling directly on the product is not adequate or the temperature of product needs to be controlled. One such type of system is shown in figure, and also this type of compartment type dryer is used for the large scale. Air is heated separately in and ducted to chamber in which the product to be dry is stored. Such dryers are suitable food grains and product like tea, tobacco, etc. System utilizing solar radiation both directly and indirectly are also used for drying. So this is for circulation type dryer, direct gain and indirect gain. This is also a one type of drying system where directly air is heated in flat plate collector, air circulating flat plate collector, and this heated air is passed at our required place where it is heat transfer and remove moisture from our product, and moist air is exist by blower or any other force circulating equipments. So these are the all types of equipment which is used in the drying process. This is the solar application in drying. Now last application is cooking, and we all are well known about solar cooker. Our last application is solar cooking or solar cooker. Now we see the detailed account of solar cooker. We have different types of figure for solar cooker. Please show these different types of solar cooker. We discuss the solar cooker in detail. Solar energy is converted into heat energy in a solar cooker. Please note that is the principle of solar cooker. Solar energy is converted into heat energy in a solar cooker. Construction of solar cooker is simple as shown in figure. Solar cooker is essentially an airtight aluminum box. Noted that it is airtight aluminum box with insulating material between its walls. Solar cooker's box and walls are insulated so heat is not released. The inside surface is color black. We also known about black surface is absorb solar radiation very good. So in solar cooker inside surface is color black to absorb sunlight. Food to be cooked is kept in aluminum containers with blackened lids. These containers also are blackened in outsides. Inside the box, the containers are inside a box. A reflecting mirror. This mirror is also described in figure. A reflecting mirror as shown in figure is also used to collect more of the sunlight. Temperature up to 100 degrees can be obtained in solar cooker. It is very important point, 100 degrees Celsius temperature. So we use this 100 degrees Celsius temperature in cooking of our food. Therefore temperature up to 100 degrees Celsius can be obtained in a solar cooker. It can be used to roast, to bake, to dry, and to cook foods. And very important point is flavor and nutrition are maintained in food cooked in a solar cooker. It is very important point for us today that flavor and nutrition are maintained. Please note that flavor and nutrition are maintained in food cooked in a solar cooker. So this is the solar cooker and last application, thermal solar application in cooking system. Here we complete our one portion, renewable source solar energy. In next lecture we start with biomass, renewable source biomass. I have some videos for solar cooker. It is attached here. Please see the videos. Construction of solar cooker. Parts of solar cooker: wooden box, glass plate, aluminium sheet, mirror, reflecting mirror, slides for moving of lid, plaque containers, food box. These all are different types of now construction of solar cooker. In wooden box, aluminium box is fitted. Blackened line food box is put in this, and with the help of slides arrange reflecting mirror. In food box we put in proper and then it is airtight with help of glass plate. And in a day where solar radiation takes place, reflected mirror reflect the radiation and it is on food box where our food is for cooking. Inside the box and container are in black color. So solar radiation absorb in high rate. Solar cooker, construction of solar cooker, wooden box, aluminium box which is inside blackened, The food is kept in solar cooker and glass cover is closed airtight. When solar radiation takes place, reflected mirror reflect radiation and it absorb in food and time to time it heat ups. There is also provision for open cooking system. Here concentrated paraboloid or parabolic collectors are used which heat up the pan and in open we cooking the food. So in these days this type of system is also developed. Today solar cooker is not only a closed system but it is open also. With the help of solar collecting system we get 400 degrees Celsius and more than temperature we get by this type of system. For circulating solar type drying system. Extra mechanical force is applied by fan or blower. Air is heated in solar air heaters or flat plate collectors and this heated air is passed into our crop which is for drying is take in this type of system. Hot or dry air is passed on our wet product and exhaust fan remove moist air. So our product is dried in short time. This is forced circulation type solar dryer. Cabinet type solar dryer. Our food compounds are dried in this type of dryer. When solar radiation takes place, it heats up the material. Material are fed up in perforated trays. Radiation takes place and absorb and eat up the inner area in cabinet. This heated air, this cool air is heated and pass into our product, wet product, where moisture is removed from top of the outside. in a rainy day or in cooler place where extra heating is required, then we put up Bunsen burner. We also use Bunsen burner. Solar radiation takes place. Cold air is transferred into hot air and is passed into our wet product, which is dried during the day. This type of product is dried in this type of cabinet. Thank you.